Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Finding the BONCHAT app starts by opening your device's App Store, whether that's the Apple App Store if you're on iOS or Google Play if you're using Android. Search for BONCHAT in the search bar and look for the official app with the correct branding. Step 2. Downloading the app is straightforward once you've located it. Tap the Get or Install button and wait for the download to complete, which usually takes just a few seconds depending on your connection speed. Step 3. Launching the app for the first time means tapping the Open button once installation finishes, or finding the BONCHAT icon on your home screen. The app will load and present you with the initial welcome screen. Step 4. Creating your account requires entering your email address or phone number, then setting up a secure password with a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for better protection. You'll also need to verify your contact information through a confirmation code sent to you. Step 5. Completing your profile means adding a profile picture, choosing your username, and filling in any additional details the app requests like your interests or location preferences. Once you finish these steps, your account is fully set up and you can start using BONCHAT to connect with others.